Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today I'll guide you on how to clear app cache on your Android device. Clearing app cache can help free up storage and fix issues like slow performance or app crashes. Let me show you how to do it step by step. But if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright. First of all, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it by swiping down from the top of your screen. So I'm clicking on the gear icon from the notification bar. And now we can see that there are many options inside of settings. Now scroll down and look for apps. Click on that. Now click on app management. And here you will see all of the apps of your phone. Find and tap on the app you want to clear the cache for. For example, I'm gonna clear the cache of Alarmy app. So I'm clicking on that. And then select storage usage and then click on clear cache, and that's it. Alternatively, you can do it simply by normally press and holding the app, and you will see some options. Click on app info and then again storage usage and then clear cache. That's very simple, right? That's all how to clear app cache on Android. It's a quick and easy way to keep your phone running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.